this. It's so big, like half my size. And it's very pretty too. Hi friends, how are you? So we have another video, and this is very exciting because it is a haul from Japan. So kita orang pergi Tokyo and we decided to go to the Universal Studio, the making of Harry Potter. So we went there, it was amazing. I don't have vlog unfortunately sebab I pergi dengan anak-anak and I have to like push the stroller, so I cannot like two-handed to vlog and all. But if you want to see more, I'll have my Instagram link down below. It was amazing. Kalau I ada peluang untuk pergi semula, I will go again. It was amazing. Walaupun the tour was in Japanese, tapi dia ada macam headset kalau you pakai and it will translate it for you. So anyways, I'm gonna do a haul, but we didn't get much walaupun bag besar sebab they ran out of their like medium size bag. Cantik kan bag Hogwarts tadi. First one is a mug. This is my husband's actually. This is the Slytherin mug. Slytherin. Sebenarnya dia punya Hogwarts house dia Slytherin ke? I pun tak tahu kenapa dia pilih. Maybe he likes it. But blue is his favorite color. I don't know why he gets this. So this is how it looks like. Harga dia 2,000 yen. About 40 ringgit duit kita. Masa kita orang pergi tu, alhamdulillah currency tengah turun. Like 1 ringgit dapat dalam 35 Ya, 35 point something yen. This is mine. Obviously, I'm a Hufflepuff. This is my house. This is so beautiful. Look at that. I don't even like yellow, but this is my Hogwarts house. So, not Slytherin, it is Hufflepuff. I suka sebab dia macam timbul tau. Dia punya design dia. Yang lain-lain dia macam agak boring. Dia macam stamp je. Macam nama tu dia just stamp. But this one, dia macam lain sikit. Dia timbul kan, nampak tak? And then, patience, dedication and loyalty 100%. I love this. And then kalau korang perasan dekat dalam dia ada dia punya logo. My husband and my daughter got a wand. I didn't get for myself. Dia datang dalam bekas ni sangat sturdy, sangat cantik. This is the Voldemort wand. Actually, my husband dia nak the elderly wand in the colour like white colour tu, tapi maybe tu dia punya display je. Semua wand colour macam brown macam tu, but this one is in the like beige punya colour. So this is how the Voldemort wand looks like. Abracadabra. That's the Voldemort wand. Harga dia, if I remember correctly, sebab I dah tak ada dia punya receipts, or I have to dig in somewhere, dalam 7,600 yen. Lord Voldemort. And then, since Daddy dia beli wand, anak perempuan I, dia pun sibuk nak wand. Even though I haven't really introduced her Harry Potter really, sebab dia baru 4 tahun. She gets the Luna Lovegood punya wand. This is it, Luna Lovegood. And it is because dia punya bentuk macam flower je. That is the only reason. So, this is the one. This is Luna Lovegood punya wand. Cantik actually. Dia ada bentuk dia macam flower kat situ. Very pretty. This is for Izara. Next, okay, then it is mine. The first one that I got for myself is this cute bag. Dia bentuk macam Harry Potter punya cake kan, tapi dia boleh jadi dia boleh sangkut dekat you punya handbag macam keychain lah macam tu. And it is not just a bag. Dekat dalam dia ada bag lagi. Dalam dia ada recycle bag, you guys. so nice. Bukan setakat gantung je dekat you punya handbag. You have an actual recycle bag and then dia ada Harry Potter kat sini. So cute. Yang ini harga dia I think 2,000 yen. So bag dia macam ni. You boleh jadikan dia coin bag ke apa, tapi I just put my recycle bag here and then I gantung dekat I punya handbag. So it is so cute. Next, husband I beli kitchen magnets. The Hawkwood houses. So yeah, ini 2,000 yen. Harga dia dekat sini. Ini 2,000 yen. And then ini murah tapi kita orang tak grab more sebab tak sure betul ke murah. Another kitchen magnet. And this is yang macam 3D tu, yang boleh tukar-tukar. Yang ini harga asal dia adalah 800 yen tapi dia ada diskaun dalam 300 yen macam tu. Kita orang tahu harga dia discounted bila on the way. Bukan on the way, masa tengah bayar. Kalau lah I tahu harga dia murah, I dah ambil like a few more. You know, boleh jadi gift to your friends, to your family. Next one is for me. I have the Hogwarts kitchen ataupun keyring here. I beli this sebab dia warna pink, you guys. Believe it or not. And harga dia 800 yen. This is Harry Potter, obviously lah. Harry Potter punya glasses. Dia punya scar. Dia punya pen macam tu. I pick up this one like immediately you know it is Harry Potter kan. So I believe this one is 900 yen. This is like the best purchase ever. I got the Luna Lovegood punya makeup bag. Isn't it so pretty? Yeah, it is Luna Lovegood cosmetic bag. Ini ada dia punya glasses ni, and then kat belakang dia macam ni. And then yang paling cantik, look at this. I cannot. So cute. Inside is just like a plain cosmetic bag je. Nothing special. And then lastly, my daughter got a cloak. Let me show you. So this is the cloak. It's a Gryffindor punya cloak. Dia nampak orang kat dalam tu semua pakai cloak. And dia pun nak the cloak juga. So we got this. Ni harga dia dalam I think about 3,000 or 5,000 yen. It is expensive. Tapi dia ada cloak yang lagi besar, yang lagi mahal. So this one is like ponchos actually. Yang boleh macam macam tu. And then you boleh snap it. Ini yang paling murah. Ini adalah yang paling murah. Ya, I nego dengan anak I. And then anak I yang lelaki tu, he also got a cap, a Gryffindor cap in the red color. That is the haul from the Warner Bros. Studio Japan, the making of Harry Potter. I hope you guys like it. It is so short. So I hope you guys enjoy this haul. And I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!